Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina and in today's video we are going to discuss the read-along series of Allen's Keynote and the remedy is Aesculus Hippocastanum. The common name of Aesculus is horse chestnut and the family is Sapinidaceae. The constitution of Aesculus patients will be persons with hemorrhoidal tendency who suffer with gastric, bilious and catarrhal troubles. Mentally, the patients will be despondent, gloomy, very irritable, lose temper easily and gains control slowly, miserably cross, just like chamomilla. So here, despondent means hopeless. Fullness in various parts of the body as from an undue amount of blood, heart, lungs, stomach, brain, pelvis and skin. There will be venous congestion, especially of the portal and hemorrhoidal veins. Mucous membranes of the mouth, throat, rectum are swollen, burn, feel dry and raw. Coryza will be thin, watery, burning, rawness and sensitive to the inhaled cold air. Now let's talk about the throat. There will be follicular pharyngitis, violent burning, raw sensation in the throat and dryness and roughness of the throat. As you can see, the entire remedy has burning and raw sensation in all the aspects, in all the symptoms. Frequent inclination to swallow with burning again, pricking, stinging and dry constricted fauces, which is similar to Apis and belladonna. As we all know, it is a remedy for gastrointestinal problems. Rectum has dryness and heat of, feels as if full of small sticks. Knife-like pains shoot up the rectum, which is similar to ignatia and sulfur. Hemorrhoids blind, painful, burning, purplish and rarely bleeding. Rectum is sore with fullness, burning and itching, which is similar to sulfur. Constipation, hard, dry stool, difficult to pass with dryness and heat of rectum, accompanied by severe lumbosacral backache. Stool is followed by fullness of rectum and intense pain in anus for hours, which is similar to aloe, ignatia, muriatic acid and sulfur. In female reproductive system, we will see prolapse of uterus and acrid dark leucorrhea with lumbosacral backache and great fatigue from walking. In back, we see symptoms like severe dull backache in lumbosacral articulation, more or less constant affecting the sacrum and hips. Back gives out during pregnancy, prolapses, leucorrhea. When walking or stooping, must sit or lie down. Sensation of heaviness and lameness in the back. Paralytic feeling in the arm, leg and spine. Modalities are aggravation will be by motion, backache, soreness, by walking and by stooping and inhalation of cold air. While amelioration is not specifically given in this particular remedy, the amelioration can be different for different symptoms. Now let's see relation. It is similar to aloe, collinsonia, ignatia, muriatic acid, nux vomica and sulfur in hemorrhoids. It is given after collinsonia has improved piles and Aesculus often cures. So after collinsonia is given, Aesculus can often result in cure. So this can be your clinical tip. Useful after nux vomica and sulfur have improved but failed to cure piles. So again, this is also a very useful clinical tip. So that was about Aesculus. If you have any doubts regarding the remedy or if you have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on my latest updates. Thank you.